Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn alphabet and numbers. Let's trace and paint them together. A B C D E 1 2 3 4 5 Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for airplane. It flies in the sky. B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry. C is for clock. It tells you the time. D is for diamond. See how it shines. E is for elephant. Bigger than me. One baby arrives. 2 tiny hands hold. 3 sweet kisses given. 4 cozy blankets wrap. 5 flowers bloom. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.